Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide your local time in Trello to keep your time zone private. Whether you work with teams worldwide or just want some privacy, this quick guide will help you adjust your settings in just a few simple steps. First, open Trello and click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Manage Account to access your Atlassian account settings. Then go to the Profile and Visibility section within your account. After that, scroll down until you find the Local Time option. Finally, click on Local Time and choose the option Only You to hide your local time from others. That's all for today's video. Now you know how to keep your local time private on Trello. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.